Let's do a POV ride back to the crib in static. Oh, that's undercovers. Yeah, I gotta go. Damn. This is definitely type of hard. Alright, y'all, so I just got done with my workout and I got a couple requests to do a POV ride, so why not? Let's do it. Let's do a POV ride back to the crib in static. So let y'all get the whole feel of the car, let y'all know what's going on. And I don't mind doing this before I go to do the mods. I think it's a good idea. Show y'all the before and after we soup her up. But she's showing out today. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. She's over here shining today. Oh God, okay, static. Go ahead then. Let's go ahead and start this POV. Alright. Thug, you gotta chill, gang. I can't let you copyright me on this one. I know you just came home, Thug, but I can't let you get me on this one, gang. Let's get straight to it. So we're gonna start off in comfort. You feel me? I'll probably give y'all a pull or two in here. Matter of fact, I probably gotta do both, right? I gotta do a pull and comfort in here, and matter of fact, we'll figure it out. I don't know why. I mean, today's Veterans Day, but the mall is packed. Is it like sales on Veterans Day that I don't know about or something? Like, is that fire sales? Am I baiting? Should I be getting my Christmas shopping done right now? Because it seems like that's what everybody's doing. Seems like everybody getting their Christmas shopping done or something. Treating this like it's Black Friday. Let's go down to the basement. There gotta be less people out here in the basement. See, we got a little something right here. And remember, y'all, this is completely stock right now. See if we can find somewhere nobody gonna bother us. Shit, if y'all remember, if y'all some real OGs, y'all know this is where I did my car reveal. This is exactly where I did the car reveal at, man. Only the real ones will know. Let's get a couple revs for y'all. Probably gonna take it to 5. And we're gonna do it in comfort for right now. Let's see. Oh yeah. It's not a pop, but it's like a boom. Like you hear it want to pop. Like it wants to pop so bad. Listen, I don't even know if the camera's picking it up enough. Stock, that ain't bad, boy. That B58. Let's go ahead. Let's go to savage mode. Yeah, the turbo kicking way more on. Y'all want the eco? Y'all don't want no eco. Y'all don't want no eco. I know what y'all boys want. But stock, can't complain, man. Baby got some power for a V6. And with some tunes, we gonna call this is definitely a scat killer. No subs, but this is definitely a scat killer. I need to see something like, I don't even know, man. I need to see like a Hellcat or something. That's the only person that's gonna make me lay down once I get this tune, a Hellcat, something. And it gotta be a modified Hellcat if you ask me. But that's if you ask me. Okay, I'm gonna take a pull without sports transmission real quick. Smooth. That boy smooth. That boy so smooth with it. Now, if y'all don't know what I mean by sports transmission, this right here, like most cars, you only have to like click a button, go into sport, and you all the way there. You know what I'm saying? It's one button, goes 0 to 100. Right here, if you don't know, and you ain't never had a Beamer before. So the stick right here, you gotta click it to the side. Now you're in sports transmission while you're still in automatic. So it holds the gears way longer. It gives you a little something, and you didn't jump all the way to sport. Once this car goes, I'm gonna give y'all a little test run. Oh, that Audi trying to play? Here we go, sports transmission on. See that? Woo! And of course, all this is happening on GTA, man. This is GTA 5M. Graphics is great. Fire. Got that fire. What's that shit called? Graphics card. I got a fire graphics card, man. If y'all ain't smashed the like button, man, make sure y'all smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. Join the fam, man. The car content's coming now, man. I know I've been on my reaction thing, but this is what I really want to be doing. I really want to be doing car vlogs, life vlogs, car mods. This is my alley. This is my tune. You feel me? But reactions is like, why not? I know y'all be looking for things to watch, because I be looking for things to watch, and why can't I provide that to you? Let me handle that service for y'all, man. Let me make sure y'all good. Let me make sure y'all entertained. But we also gonna be doing real life activities, man. We not a one-trick pony. You feel me? We gonna be doing everything. And I got a good little path for y'all right now, man. I think it's about time we go into sport mode, man. Comfort's cool. Comfort packs a punch. Like, for the average car, you're chilling in comfort and you're packing them up. You don't need to. You just smack it into sports transmission, you're good. But if you actually find some competition, go ahead and go to Sports Plus, man. These boys is all up in the way. I might just have to let them pass. Well, I ain't gonna lie, without the exhaust and without all the modifications, this is a fast, smooth, quiet ride if you really want it to be. Like right now I got the windows down, but let me put them up. And if you got a BMW, you know you always got to keep the sunroof tilted. I ain't gonna untilt that, but it's pretty quiet in here. It gets quiet, especially with the music, and you know you gotta have the sound system in here. I don't even know how to pronounce it, but you know that if you know, you know. If you know, you know, boy. Them BMW speakers be rocking with the sound system. Hold on, I got a 540. There's no such thing as traffic with a 540. There's no such thing as traffic with a 540. But yeah, and that's another thing. She likes to hold these corners. I know I need lowering springs. I know I need, sports suspension better, but she likes to hold these corners. She ain't no baby. She ain't no baby. Let me take over this. Woo! She's killing that curve. Boy, when she gets modified, this is gonna get scary. See if y'all can hear that. I want to give y'all a launch too. A launch is probably the best part. Guns and ammo. How did we end up here? Oh God. All right. I'm gonna give y'all a quick launch. So to do the launch, you gotta hold on the brakes, hold the gas. I don't know why the flag ain't come up. Wait till these. We about to launch right now. Oh, that's undercovers. Yeah, I gotta go. I gotta go. GTA over. GTA is over. That was bad. That was bad. That was bad. Yeah, that was bad. That was bad. That was bad. Thankfully, they were going to Dunkin' Donuts. Not Dunkin' Donuts, Starbucks. No, they don't play about they Starbies. Yeah, I gotta get out of here, man. Man, y'all seen it, man. 12 almost got me. If y'all not smashing that like button, y'all not smashing that subscribe button, y'all foul as hell, boy. I'm doing this for y'all. Y'all ain't even trying to support the kid. What type of timing are you on, boy? I should beat your ass, boy. Should whoop that ass, boy. But, nah, yeah. Once you put the car into comfort, we'll go back to regular transmission. I mean, yeah, regular transmission. You're chilling, man. Mixing back in with civilization. And the gas mileage ain't that bad. As long as you're not punching it, it's not that bad. I probably say I fill up like once a week, $40 with the way gas is going right now, premium. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. If I'm really chilling and I'm rocking out in eco mode, a week is probably like 35, 30 for real. But you know, we're not really counting the miles per gallon. We're counting the smiles right now, man. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that night POV, because at night, this whole car transforms. You get the LED lights. You get, yo, bro, it's just a spaceship in here, man. Trust me, bro. Y'all ain't gonna regret it. Then we gonna do another POV once the tunes is in, and you can really hear her bark. But let me know in the comments, man, what brought y'all here to this video. Is it y'all have a 540? Y'all looking to get a 540? Or you just been rocking with the journey and you just a real loyal one from day one or something. Let me know in the comments what brought y'all over here, man. But since y'all are here, just make sure y'all smash that like button for me, man. The more y'all smash that like button, the more consistent I can get and the more content I can push out for y'all, man. You feel me? If the only thing I have to worry about is waking up and make some content, I promise y'all, man, y'all get like 2-3 videos a day. 2-3 videos a day, I promise. If y'all can make that my only responsibility for the day, just upload content, I got y'all, man. We gonna go through it all. I ain't gonna lie, this is type hard. This is definitely type hard. Okay, Virgil dropped this before he went. That's hard. Y'all see the fit for the day though. Little calm gallery, shattered backboards, chrome on the shirt. And gotta represent the towns. You feel me? Super calm day. You know how this shit go. But yeah, today my boy's Fab birthday. I'ma style him today. I'ma style my boy for the day, you know. He knows how I get down. So he called the right person to help him out. I got him trying out some shirts. And we're gonna see how that go. Oh, here you go. Let me see. Come. What's that? What size is that? Might need the medium. Yeah. Nah, that shirt is hard. Let me see the back. Yeah. Let me see the material. I thought it was silk. It's not silk. Yeah, let me see the medium. That look a little too small though. Yeah. So we gonna get that boy right, man. Cause without me, Fab's type swag, he would have took that. He like that. He like them smalls. My boy love them schmoes. Can't really record too much in here because of the music, but this idiot. Oh, he does not know what he's doing. This mission is starting to fail. He does not know what he's doing and he does not want to listen. I'm gonna try to go correct him one last time. The mission is not going good. I'm gonna go and try to correct him one last time. The mission is not going good, yeah. He's starting to try to take things into his own hands. He's losing me.
Oh shit, they got risk takers in the building. Send that YRT one time, yo.
Alright, y'all, so as y'all see, the channel's starting to open up to these car content. And I think it's about time I took y'all for a POV drive. Let me know in the comments if y'all ready for that. Next video, if I get at least, I'm like, you know, we're gonna start low. You know, we just starting out. At least 20 likes on this video, we'll go for a POV ride. So y'all just let me know, man. Y'all get that number done, y'all getting that POV drive. Let's get it.